Today, as World Vision Eswatini, we are handing over 106 improved beehives to the Ebukanyeni Agriculture Group.
Thank you. Thank you for not only being a member of the Bee Association, but bringing all your knowledge, your skills, your expertise since 1976?
Yes.
Yeah, who was alive in 1976? I was as well. So you're bringing a lot of knowledge and experience that helps not just about bees, but really about bringing change in children's lives. Thank you very much.
I am Pefeni Victor Vilagati. I'm a mentor into the Ebukanyeni agriculture concept, which is a community group that is made out of the 7 chiefs, much more working on the beekeeping. The support that World Vision has given to Ebukanyeni agriculture concept, it's going to go a long way in sustaining these beekeeping activities that we will have to engage on. More than anything, it is also going to help us in the production of food, since we know that the bees population in our country is on the decline. This is going to go a long way in ensuring that our environment and the regeneration of our environment is sustained. We do have 53 direct beneficiaries. We therefore have 277 people who will also benefit, especially that are made out of kids. This even includes those people who are living with disabilities, because beekeeping can even be done by persons with disabilities. So it's a non-discriminatory kind of a livelihood that we are engaging with. The impact of bees in our environment helps us in the efficient production of food. We need trees to clean our air. Without the bees, it's not going to be easy for us to live without them. We also have a huge responsibility, because we are beekeepers and parents. We have a whole load on our shoulders of looking after the children. We want to do our parenting right at home. That's where the education has to start. It has to start with beekeeping, and in order for them, they can even sustain their economy. And this project will also even empower the children to access quality education, access quality health, do have food that is well balanced. It is our humble prayer that this project, we will make it an effort that 10 years down the line, we will not be invited by World Vision, but we would want to invite World Vision to look at the success story. Actually, the first and the most important thing we need to look for, let us put our environment first. Let us put the honeybees first.